What is going on, guys? Crypto Kirby here, your cryptocurrency expert. And today I want to discuss the S&P 500 actually going down below the 200-day moving average now, guys, confirming a death cross, which is very startling, guys, considering that the stock market has been in one of the longest bull runs in world history, and now we are seeing a death cross on the S&P 500. I want to explain what this could mean for the stock market and what its implications will be on the cryptocurrency market, in my opinion, how we can profit off them, my strategies, etc. So guys, if you like these daily crypto videos and nightly live streams, give this video a thumbs up, smack that subscribe button, tick the little bell, and let's get this crypto. So guys, as you already know, I just showed you the S&P 500 has now confirmed drop below the 200-day moving average, leading us into a death cross, which is generally the indicator you look for when looking for a bear trend confirmation. Now, this would generally tend to bring the whole market down with it, guys. So this could be the well overdue correction that the stock market has been it's been yearning for it, guys. Now, even Janet Yellen, guys, who worked at the top of the Fed for 14 years, before she left her position, guys, her quote was that she doesn't know if the stock market is in a bubble, but she said the valuations are very high. You know, for somebody in her position, that's basically a nice way of saying, you know, I think it's in a bubble. She says, look, well, I don't want to say too high, but I do want to say high. Come on, guys. Come on. Right? The next quote from her, price earnings ratio are near the high end of their historical ranges. So that's the professional way of basically saying, yeah, it's in a bubble and I would watch out. That's, you know what I mean? So the thing is, guys, is when the stocks are generally, you know, going into a bear market, people generally tend to move and reallocate their portfolios into hedge against the debt assets. Now, guys, historically, gold has been the main benefactor here. Gold and silver, right? The precious metal markets. Now, gold is in a pretty significant bull trend, guys. Ever since the, the 2015 bottom here, guys, we've been in a pretty substantial uptrend. And personally, right now, with the S&P 500 dumping, I believe that more money is going to get pumped into the precious metals market, with gold leading the way and silver, of course, with potentially large upside as well. Now, everyone wants to know what the cryptocurrency market is going to do in correlation with these bearish trends in the stock market, right? So we know that the global weekly charts are predicting a worldwide bear market for stocks, and I know everybody on this channel is a deeply invested cryptocurrency trader. So let's get into where I believe this is going to go. So Bitcoin, guys, right, is looked at as the digital gold. Bitcoin is the front runner in this space. Bitcoin has the largest market cap, etc. Now, it's obviously not a thing here, guys. Bitcoin is in a severe bear trend. We have been since basically December 2017. So we've also had our death cross here on Bitcoin, guys. The market doesn't look all too healthy. Market sentiment isn't really doing well. But what I believe could happen here, guys, is that if the stock market continues to go down, I believe we will start to see some type of rally here in the cryptocurrency market. Now, I'm not saying that Bitcoin is going to moon back to 20,000 immediately, but I believe that we're going to get some healthy money pumped into this market if people are looking to reallocate their portfolios, because the S&P keeps crashing, the rest of the market is crashing, and you know, I believe gold, precious metals, and cryptos will be somewhere that people will look to reallocate their capital if this market continues to plunge down. Now, being said, guys, I probably would think that Bitcoin would see the most of this money come in. The bulk of this money, I believe, would go into Bitcoin. Now, why do you ask? It has the largest market cap, and a lot of traditional traders want the most liquidity in this market, because in a small liquidity market like Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, these dinosaurs, quote unquote, if you want to say, you know, guys that are 50 and above that don't really know about the cryptocurrency technology, they're going to look for liquidity, guys, and Bitcoin provides that. So I believe Bitcoin would be the benefactor here, with other money trickling into other little cryptos. But to be honest with you, if, keyword if the stock market is going to continue to crash and then money does happen to pour into cryptocurrency, I believe it would be most bullish for Bitcoin. Now, at the immediate moment, guys, I'm not all too happy with the market. Like I said, we have broken out of this pennant into a bearish pattern. The next target for me here is along this 4,500 parabolic extension, and hopefully we can get some consolidation around there. But maybe, guys, just maybe, this stock market crash and the death cross confirmation will be the catalyst that we need to finally get some new money back into the Bitcoin market cap and get this train rolling in an upward direction once again. So before we get off here, guys, I want to show you a gold chart, because not many people in cryptocurrency cover gold as well. Only a very small handful, and you guys know I like to look at this all from a very realistic standpoint. I personally am invested in precious metals as well as cryptocurrency, so it's a good topic to talk about from my point of view. Now, you guys can see here, guys, that gold has gone through multiple bubbles as well. Look at that bubble in 1980, right? Gold peaked at $800 per ounce, then had a crash and a sustained bull market for a sustained bear market for nearly 20 years, guys. Then we saw this parabolic rise up from 2000, really up until now with a slight correction, all the way up to at one point over $1,400 an ounce. And right now we are still sitting at $1,340 per ounce, guys. Now, like I said, gold tends to run when the economy is in a little bit of an iffy situation. It tends to run when we get things like a death cross, which indicates a bear market on companies, guys, stocks, right? I believe that with this new blockchain sector and the cryptocurrency market now being in the forefront of the mainstream media's eyes, we may begin to see some hedge money come into the cryptocurrency market, but mostly into Bitcoin, as it's the most liquid, like I stated earlier. Its use case is digital gold. That is how the mainstream media portrays it to new investors. And I believe that for the first time here, guys, we could see Bitcoin actually being used as a hedge against the falling S&P 500 and obviously everything else in the market. So I want to hear what you guys have to say about this. Give me your opinion. It's a big if. This would be really the first time that crypto has been big enough in the mainstream media's eyes to get enough attention on the Bitcoin space for big money from these traditional markets to use it as a hedge against the falling stock market. So, like I said, guys, it's really this market cap that I'm focused on. It's not like Wall Street money would want to come in and just drop it into a low liquid market like a bunch of these altcoins. As a hedge vehicle, as something where people would be looking for upside in a very small market cap space compared to the rest of the markets they're reallocating from, Bitcoin, in my opinion, is the only one that they could really do that for, with Ethereum maybe being a little bit of a more risky play. But I would go as far to say as Bitcoin would be really the only one, the only spot they would allocate to. So I want to hear what you have to say, guys. Leave a comment down below and let me know if you agree, if you disagree, and what your prediction is with the S&P going on a death cross pattern now, guys, and what the implications will be for Bitcoin if you think this could be that bullish catalyst we need to send us back on that rocket ship up. So let me know, guys. And listen, if you guys want to get all of my trading signals for Bitcoin and altcoins trading, guys, you can get that in my public trading signals channel, t.me/altcoinparty. That link is down below in the description. I highly encourage you guys to get in there. And if you are looking to trade crypto full time, like you really want to surround yourself with a community of traders that are doing this all day, all night getting that savage crypto, guys, you should probably join my VIP Elite private trading community. That's where you'll get all of my personal entries, exits, targets, insights on Bitcoin and altcoins trading, plus our traders chat. Over 200 full-time crypto traders in there now, guys. And you get 2 bots. We have a social media data scraping bot, which scrapes social media for all these hyped up coins nobody else is paying attention to but us. And we have a brand new AI, artificial intelligence trading signals bot, which uses mathematical algorithms to try and find the coins that are ready to go, guys. So you see some of the past results I've had right here. And if you're interested in getting into the private VIP Elite community, guys, just shoot me a direct message on Twitter at CryptoKirby or a direct message on Telegram at CryptoKirby. Let me know you want to get in VIP Elite, and I'll get you in there with us tonight. Both links to contact me are down below in the description. So guys, until next time, be safe, be happy, be healthy. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, get in the Telegram, leave a comment, let me know what you think about this, what your predictions are, what you think of Janet Yellen basically saying it's in a bubble. And guys, until next time, be safe, be happy, be healthy. It's your boy, Crypto Kirby. Peace and love, my friends. Curbs.